Have we found our new favorite keto rice replacement? And if you're new here, my twin sister Sarah and I have lost 160 pounds following a ketogenic lifestyle since 2019. And on our channel, we love to try and test different keto recipes and products for all of you. And rice is one of the things that people miss the most on keto. So a while ago, it was like years ago at this point, Sarah and I tried a pilaf recipe that we liked so much that we called it our new favorite keto rice replacement. And that was honestly a replacement for a wild rice or a long grain rice. It had things like hemp seeds, almonds, parsley, stuff like that. And it was very calorically dense too, that recipe. But it tasted very, very good. Very autumnal in taste. But we were always trying new things.
Autumnal?
Yeah, it was autumnal. It was like mushrooms and like...
Oh, okay.
Like autumn.
Yeah.
Autumnal.
Okay.
It's a word. Look it up. What we're gonna be trying today is hearts of palm rice, okay? I've used it in like a creamy chicken soup and it really does mimic the texture of rice in soup, but I've never eaten it dry. So we're gonna be using some of the techniques that we've shown you in the past to make a very exciting dish. And the sponsor of this video is LMNT. So Sarah and I have been drinking LMNT every single day since 2020 because we love the way it tastes and the way it makes us feel on our keto lifestyle. LMNT is an electrolyte drink mix that has 1,000 milligrams of sodium, 200 milligrams of potassium, and 60 milligrams of magnesium. And this is important because when you go into ketosis, you can shed a lot of water, and inside that water are your electrolytes. This can leave you feeling tired, having muscle cramps, or nausea, and we call that the keto flu. LMNT replenishes your electrolytes so that you feel better, and it tastes amazing, so you'll want to drink it. So Sarah and I love the OG flavor for us. It is the citrus salt, but LMNT just came out with a new product, and it is the lemonade iced tea. And this is special because it not only contains all of the electrolytes, it also contains caffeine and L-theanine. And it's only 50 milligrams of caffeine, which is going to give you a light boost and not a jittery crash, which I need right now. And right now, LMNT is offering our Keto Twins community a free 8-count sample pack of LMNT's most popular drink mix flavors with any purchase. So you can buy some lemonade iced tea and get a free sample pack. In order to get this deal, you must go to drinklmnt.com/ketotwins and try it totally risk-free. If you don't like it, email them and they will make it right. But you're gonna like it. So we are gonna be making an inauthentic paella before the people come out and say that this is not authentic. I'm already saying that. Ha! Beat you to it. I have eaten paella in Spain.
So we know something.
And it was not the best hangover food, I will just tell you that, because Sarah and I were in Ibiza. Anyway, okay, so the instructions on the back of this are to drain and rinse it with plenty of water, because sometimes there's a brining solution. And a palmini or any kind of hearts of palm product does tend to have a vegetal taste because guess what? It's a vegetable. Palmini is a low-carb calorie alternative made out of hearts of palm. There are several brands that you can buy of this product. Natural Heaven is one of them that we like. I think even Trader Joe's sells hearts of palm products. You can even eat it by itself and it kind of tastes like string cheese. I know that's weird, but Sarah and I ate it in the past and we thought this actually does oddly taste and have the texture of string cheese when it's brined. And it has very low calories per serving. So this packet has 2.5 servings and each serving has only 20 calories in it. And it also has only 2 grams of net carbs in it. It's even, I think, less than cauliflower rice if you think about it. It's a good option, so we're excited to explore it today. And we'll be leaving this one linked in the description below. We're gonna try to rinse them thoroughly in a colander or a strainer. I think these are pretty small though. So we'll see how they look. You don't want something with big holes in it because it might just fall through. Okay. Rinse.
Looks pretty uniform. It looks like rice.
If you eat Miracle noodles, you'll be doing the same process. Rinsing it thoroughly and then draining it for a while. Next we are going to, Sarah, dry cook. I expected you to say that.
Oh, I don't know. I thought
you missed your cue.
I'm gonna turn on the stove. I don't know what you're
For people
doing.
who say that we sound scripted. We are not. We're going to dry out this palmini until it's dry.
And we use the same method to do our cauliflower rice.
Right.
So this is gonna take a while. We'll check back in a couple of minutes.
It has been 7 minutes, 6 minutes. All the moisture holds a lot of that flavor. So
you want to eliminate that moisture so you can add new flavor.
Right. Now we're gonna be adding flavor back in. This is how we make our version of this, okay? We're going to add a liquid. You could use chicken stock, you could use seafood stock, you could use vegetable stock. About 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. And then we're going to add some of these seasoning packets. You could use garlic, you could use onion powder, you could use whatever you want in this. We're gonna pour a packet into here. Okay, so this is a flavored
Slurry.
right. I will be leaving whatever we put in here in the description below, but like I said, this is very whatever you want to put in it, okay? So we're going to add back in our liquid. And now we're going to start cooking it again.
Yeah, start slowly with the liquid because you're gonna have to, you know, heat it up and get that out if it's too wet. So it's easier to add liquid than remove it.
So that was 1/3 of a cup. A couple more splashes because we're gonna be cooking our shrimp in here. So this is probably 1/2 of a cup. It really absorbs fast, wow. Okay, that's heating. We're gonna move to our shrimp. These are colossal shrimp. And we're gonna, should we rinse it? Or well, we're gonna pat it dry, actually. I learned that you should never defrost shrimp in water. I didn't know that.
I've done that before.
We just defrosted them in the bag. We have a 1/2 of a bell pepper, 1/2 of an onion. And we are going to combine it and add our shrimp. These shrimp should probably, these are deveined tail on shrimp. They're gonna cook for, I don't know, 5-7 minutes until they're pink. We're gonna stick some andouille in here and we're going to cover it, a touch more broth. And we're gonna cover it until everything cooks and steams. Let's check it in 5 minutes. It smells wonderful in here. Woo! Okay, we're gonna let a lot of this liquid kind of cook off. We're gonna add some parsley on top and we're gonna go downstairs and we're gonna try our very inauthentic paella. Is there lemon in paella? Don't know. You insisted. I know. Because seafood, you know?
Reminds me of the Mediterranean, right?
Spain.
Mm-hmm. Let's try the rice first, because that's what we're testing.
Softer than cauliflower
Yeah, definitely.
rice. It would be really good in a risotto, I think.
What about rice pudding?
Better than cauliflower rice.
Yeah.
I don't really taste it. I taste like the flavor.
I'm trying to actually taste the palmini, but
very good.
mm-hmm. I think this is actually my new favorite rice replacement. Yeah, you know what? I just always have like cauliflower rice ready to go that's frozen in my refrigerator or my freezer, so.
I noticed that this dries out a lot faster like than cauliflower. It's softer, maybe that's why. This is a dish that I used to make a lot with cauliflower rice. Haven't made it in years.
You just fall out of making stuff.
Right.
Why is that?
It's more of like a hyperfixation thing. I will make something like 5 days in a row and then I won't have it for years. You're like that too, right?
Not lately. I just like get into a habit of making things and I don't want to like learn anything new, pretty much. Which you would think, since we are cooking creators, that we do constantly. But usually I like the simpler recipes, you know, simple ingredients, like a protein and vegetable for dinner. We don't do really complicated recipes usually. This isn't complicated. This took like how long to make? Like 20 minutes, 30 minutes. And once you start putting all the stuff in there, it's just cooking it and steaming it. You could add scallops in here. Yeah, it's very good. Well, we haven't made a lot of shrimp recipes on the channel. It's a lot of protein and very low calorie.
This might be the first time we've ever made shrimp.
No, we did. Remember the shrimp battered?
Oh, honey walnut shrimp.
That was really good. Definitely recommend you guys try it if you have not tried palmini as a substitute for rice.
We will leave what we did in the description below.
And if you guys want to see how we cook cauliflower rice, you can click on the video on the screen and we'll see you over there. It's also a very good recipe. So, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Emily. And we are the Keto Twins signing out. Tasty.